Morning YouTube. Got an unboxing to do. Funky Prepper sent me a text about 2 minutes ago, said I've put something in the post for you. I'm not quite sure why. Didn't think any more of it. There was a ring at the door, went down there and it's the postman, and here it is. I mean, he must be psychic. So he's asked me to do an unboxing. So here we go. Spyderco Tenacious. There's a note. It says, "Roach, I hope this puts a smile on your face in your hours of darkness. Can only assume that this is a try and cheer me up after my bug-out vehicle burst into flames. Take care, mate, Funky." Got a Mars bar. I'm the first one to admit I've got a sweet tooth. Oh wow, a little hip flask, how cool is that? Do you know when we had the night in the woods, a couple of the guys got the old hip flasks out and started passing them around, and I haven't had one for years, but I was thinking about laying my hands on another one. In truth, the one that I had I gave to a friend who went to Afghan, and he died out there. And that was the last one I ever had, but brilliant, thank you. Vacuum packed. Maybe this is the way I should have kept my real one. Dehydrated bug-out vehicle, just add water. Look at that. Wow, so here's my new bug-out vehicle, everybody. Land Rover Discovery, blacked out windows, twin sunroofs, looks like a 300 TDI, right hand drive, got the towing hitch all fixed up, ready to rock and roll. Brand new bug-out vehicle. Cheers, Funky. As always, any comments, love to hear them. Back soon.